Okay, we're back. We had to switch cameras because, well, the other one died. So here we go. Let's try this again. We are trying to disassemble this thing so we can take a look at it, because most likely there's a broken seal inside of it. And hopefully we can get the parts from this. The nice thing about this thing is that it's both a jackhammer and an impact drill. The only thing is, it also has its downsides because that means it has a really weak seal on the inside. So, let's try it again. Yeah, right side. So, well, take a look. That's what it is. But I think the seal's still fine, but I think the seal on the inside is shot. But I can't do anything about that now, so I guess we're just gonna have to keep doing what we're doing and just add grease when needed. shape. You don't want them put on one end. See if we can clean this thing up a little bit. I'm just cleaning off this a little bit. Let's stick the grease in it. Look at this. I filled this up yesterday, and most of it's already gone. So let's grab the grease and fill her up again. That's all we can do right now, because I need to order a whole new part, a new front part for this part right here. Oh, you have to replace that, and quite honestly, I don't even know where to get it right now. So hopefully I'll be able to find that online or something. So, yeah, I was hoping it would just be a ring or an O-ring or a seal, but no such luck. So we just keep putting a little bit of grease in there every day. Don't want it to run dry. Again, cross pattern, because we don't, since there is a seal on the top of this thing, we don't want any grease leaking out of there, so we do cross pattern again. I guess we're just going to call this video how to change, well not change, how to add grease into a jackhammer, to a Chinese jackhammer. Let me just finish this up, and then I'll take you around the shop for a small tour. So let's take you around here for a little bit. Whoa, almost fell there. Alright, so, well, yeah, I guess you've not seen these either yet. These are the two motorcycles. These are our main mode of transportation right now, since we don't have a car. So we use these to go up and down to the farm. So yeah, this is the wood. These are going to be our main posts for our barn. So hopefully they'll get to the land. We have another thing coming up for that, to get those there. I'll try and make a video. Our main tool cabinet. Well, just some general mess. As I said, you know, it's very messy here because we moved here and was only supposed to be temporary. But we've been here 8 months now, so hopefully we'll be out of here by February. Well, by end of February. So, yeah, I guess that's about it. I guess that's it for this video. And, well, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you later.